Let's show you tricks. Come here, Bodhi. Bodhi, sit. Good boy. Come here, Bodhi.
I distracted him. I dropped that.
Bodhi, come here. Sit. Lie down. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Ready? Come here, Bodhi. Sit me over here. Come here, Bodhi. Sit. Speak. Good boy. Good boy. Now we do the close-up. Yeah, come on. Oh. This is Bodhi, and he's 12 weeks old. What do you see? What do you see? Oh. Yeah, good boy.
Kisses?
Kisses? Oh, thank you. Kisses? No, we're done.